Daddy is hours of amusement for Edward.
Spin around. Woo!
You want to do tumble? We'll catch it on video camera. Is Daddy going to help you tumble?
Or breakdance.
Oh, he wants to spin too now.
We have to go off the mat. Let's go where it's smooth at. Up here. Ready? 1, 2, yeah. Woo! Ready? Woo!
Careful, Daddy.
You gotta keep your balance in the center.
It's going to be funny until he falls on his head and he can use it later for a lawsuit. My parents damaged me.
Yay!
Whee! Go, Eddie. Do you want to do a tumble with Daddy? No? Come on, let's show everybody your first tumble.